Welcome to Evision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. Evision provide job in IT MNCs. Over 3,700 plus freshers got job in 250 plus IT MNCs company. Stop walking for interviews.
Hello everyone, my name is Duryodhan Ghadei. I am from Odisha. I have joined in Evision in 2024 and I have completed in all skills like N+, virtualization, Ubuntu administrator, CCNA, CCNP. So this course I will be completed and I will be got a job in a desktop support engineer in Allied Digital Service, Ahmedabad. My package is 3 LPA package. So I am happy for joining in Evision. So Evision it is not a institute. It is like a golden opportunity to provided, and it is like a good institute. So you have a 100% placement provided. So I am happy for joining Evision. Thank you, Evision.
We are hiring freshers. Get up to 2.5 LPA to 3.5 LPA with 100% job guarantee. Join Evision, join job.